Good morning, children. Come to the next point. What other reasons bring changes in families? Come to next point. Moving to new place. Aditya's family lives in Medak. Aditya's father received a letter from his office. The letter said that he was transferred to Nizamabad on promotion. Aditya lives in a joint family where his sister, parents, grandparents, uncles, aunties, and cousins live together. That means Aditya's father is doing job, so he has transferred to Nizamabad on promotion. Aditya lived in a joint family. Aditya's parents went to Nizamabad. Aditya and his parents were separated from the family and went to Nizamabad to do job. Aditya's family vacated the house and left for the new town. Similarly, Aditya's friend Ramesh father also got promoted and transferred to Siddipet. He didn't take his family to the new town, but he shuttled. Discuss with your friends and write down what changes might come in the families of employees. Here, children, Aditya's friend Ramesh father also got transferred to Siddipet, but here Ramesh father is not taken his family to Siddipet. Families do not remain the same always. Changes occur in the families due to various reasons. You have seen that changes occur in the families due to marriages, births, employment at new places, transfer to other towns, and so on. Okay, children? Changes occur not only because of these reasons but also due to business, studies, migration for employment, occurrence of earthquakes, floods, death of members, etc. Besides these, when we compare the present time with the past, we find that many changes have taken place in the families. How do we know about these details? That means due to marriages, births, employment at new place, transfer to another places, business, studies purpose, going to hostel, migration for employment, earthquakes. Earthquakes means bhukampalu. Floods means tufanu. Death of members. All these changes occur in the families. Up to this, you have seen what are the changes come in the family. Now come to next point. Families, yesterday's, today, and tomorrow. Compared to the past, there are many changes in the families. Is there any change in your family too? Most of the families in the past were joint families. In joint families, different members like grandparents, aunties, uncles, their children. Everyone lived together as a single family. All the members helped each other and did various kinds of works together. They used to share all joys and sorrows. Nowadays, the number of members in a family is decreasing. Children, comparing the past, there are many changes in the families. Is there any change in your family? In olden days, people lived together and all the members helped each other and they did various works together. They used to share happiness and sorrows. If they got any problems, they'll share the problems also and they will solve the problems together. That is in the joint families. In present day, at present, only parents and their children live in most of the families. These are called nuclear families. One of the reasons for nuclear families is newly married couple start living separately after their marriage. They are not taking proper care of grandparents and other old members. Some people are sending their old parents to old age homes and children to hostels in the name of education. Discuss these changes with the friends in your group and write down the conclusions. In present days, so many families are living separately. Only parents and children, they are called nuclear families. After marriage, husband and wife staying separately, not taking care of grandparents, and old members is called nuclear family. You know that all the family members live together in joint families. Now let us know what other advantages joint family had. Children, if you have joint families, what are the uses are there, we will see. The old people used to be with the children and help them in many ways. Children were told stories and new things by the old people. Meals were taken together. Everyone helped each other and lived together. Families have changed as time passed. Joint families have separated into nuclear families due to members leaving villages for employment, division of properties, insufficient housing, etc. Nowadays, so many people are going separately and living separately. Why? Because for purpose of employment. Next, properties, taking properties and going separate, and insufficient housing. If small house is there, can't live together all members, so they are going separately and living in another house. How was your family in the past? How is it now? What type of families is yours? A joint family or a nuclear family? Which one do you feel is better? Why? Ask your parents what is your family in past, how it is now. Any changes there in your family? Ask your parents and write the answers. Children, now come to the next point, family life. Use of home appliances. Home appliances means with changes in the families, the method of work also changed. Earlier people did all the works by themselves, but now some families employ people for household work. Similarly, the use of electrical appliances in the household work is increased to reduce the labor. See the picture. Observe the picture given below. Do you know what these are? First one is a washing machine. Second one is fridge. Third one is grinder. Next one, mixer. Next one, water heater. Next one, index stove. Next one, vacuum cleaner. Next one, oven. Why are these appliances are used? Why are these appliances used? How did the people do different kinds of work with these appliances were not there? Is the use of these appliances advantageous? Why not? Why is the usage of electricity increases day by day? Home appliances have changed the method of working. People depend on the appliances for household works. They use appliances for washing clothes, grinding flour, cleaning the house, cooking, etc. We are depending on others for few more works. Rather, everyone must do their own work. We should work manual as far as possible. Usage of home appliances should be reduced. It consumes more electricity when we use washing machine, mixing, grinder, etc. If we work manual, we not only reduce the consumption of electricity but also remain active and healthy. If addition to this, one also realize the value of work. Children, not only changes in the families but also work also changes. In olden days, people does all the work by themselves, but now they are keeping servants or helpers, and people are using electrical appliances. See the picture like washing machine, mixer, grinder, vacuum cleaner, oven for cooking, induction stove and fridge, geyser for hot water. We should do our own work only ourselves. If you use their electrical appliances, the current charges also increases. We should pay more money. If we do ourselves, we feel active and healthy.